service from Minister 6. Score 2-0, service from Minister 6. Go well played from Tejasvi Surya sir. Got 1 point. 1-2, service from Tejasvi Surya, MP Bangalore South. Good service. Okay, very good game from Mr. 6 versus MP 6. Oh, point to MP 6 score 2-all. Good service from MP Surya, point 3-2 favor of MP Surya 6 team. MP6 team service from Tejasvi Surya, Member of Parliament of Bangalore South. Oh, good service. 1 more point for MP6. Once again service, Mr. Tejasvi Surya. Good service. We are very happy that very good game played by our MP, young MP, youth icon, Mr. Tejasvi Surya. Beautiful underarm played by Tejasvi Surya. Good try. Point to Minister 6. Score 3-7. Service from Minister 6. What a good combination, Minister versus MP. MP Tejasvi Surya team score 7. Oh, very good play. Beautifully, Tejasvi Surya is playing, performing volleyball game at the Kittur Rani Chandramma International Stadium. Oh, no problem. Score 4-7. Service from Anurag C. Service from Anurag G. Good service from Minister of Sports. Well played from Tejasvi Surya. Good defense. Point 8-4. Once again service from MP Tejasvi Surya. Good service. 1 more point. MP 6. Service Tejasvi Surya. Good. Oh, no problem. Score 5-9. Once again, service from Minister 6. Anurag Ji, good service. Point to Minister 6. Good service from Anurag Ji, the Central Sports Minister. A youth, a young and energetic player. Oh, service to the out. Point to MP6. Once again, service from Tejasvi Surya, Member of Parliament of Bangalore South. Good rally from MP6 to good drop by MP6. That is service, once again service from Tejasvi Surya. Score 11-6. Well played, well played.
ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಆಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಯಾರು ಆಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ.
Score 7-6 in favor of MP6 Tejasvi Surya. It is all allowed. Net ಎಲ್ಲ accept ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It's a friendly game. Good attack and good defense from Tejasvi Surya. Score 8-11. Service from Minister 6. Minister of Sports and Affairs, Central Government, Central Minister of Sports. Service from Surya. Very good service. Point to MP6. Score 14-10. Service once again from Tejasvi Surya. How young and energetic Tejasvi Surya all the way is playing volleyball with the Indian team players. Yeah, it's all allowed. All are allowed. All these things are allowed. Playing volleyball since it's friendly. One more point to. Okay, Ministry 6. Score 11-14. Good defense. Oh, good smash. Good defense by our sports minister. Score 15-11. 15 service from Tejasvi Surya. Good defense. Oh, very good game playing Mr. Tejasvi Surya. Very good attacking from the Tejasvi Surya. Yeah, good try, bad luck. Score 12-15 in favor of Ministry 6. Service from Minister of Sports, Government of India. Well played, Mr. Tejasvi Surya, sir. Good defense. Oh, well played, very good game. How flexible they are, both ministers of central government are playing well. It shows that how fit they are. Give a big round of applause, dear friends, the minister and the MP, since they are playing well. Substitution. Yes, all international players are playing with the minister and MP Tejasvi Surya. Good service from Minister of Central Government of India. Good defense once again from, good defense from the Tejasvi Surya. How nice minister playing our volleyball. How nice MPs are playing volleyball. It's supposed to be very lucky. The game volleyball is really a very good game where you play very good exercise. Service from once again minister. Good. Yeah, good defense by Tejasvi Surya. Oh, very good smash. Good defense by once again Tejasvi Surya. ಇವರು ಬಾಲ್ಯದಿಂದ ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಆಡಿದರೆ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಕೋಚ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಂಜುಂಡಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಗುಡ್ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕಿಂಗ್. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀನಾರಾಯಣ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಗುಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಲಕ್, ಬಾಲ್ ಔಟ್. Point 16-15 in favor of Ministry 6. Service from Anurag ji. Good service, ball out. Third over, score 16-all. 16-all. Both the teams are equal. MP and Minister playing well. Good service from Tejasvi Surya, MP of Bangalore South. Good defense. Net alla paravagilla. Good. Very good play. Bad luck. Point to MP6. Score 17-16. Service from Tejasvi Surya, Member of Parliament, Bangalore South. Youth icon. Good defense by Tejasvi Surya. Is playing well. Best of his ability to pro. I am also a very good sportsman. I played in my school days. Here once again, Anurag ji, good service as a Minister of India playing volleyball. It shows that Anurag ji also a very good volleyball player, very good sportive man. Point to Minister 6, score 18-17. Once again, service from Anurag, the Minister of Sports Affairs, Government of India. Good defense from Lakshminarayan, international volleyballer, senior national player. Good performance from Tejasvi Surya, a Member of Parliament, Bangalore South. Good smash by Vinayak, an international volleyballer. Now score 19-17 in favor of Anurag ji. Service. Good service. Good smash by MP6. Now service from Tejasvi Surya, Member of Parliament, Bangalore South. Surya is shining like a Surya at the volleyball round. Point 2. Time out from MP6. Time out from MP6. Time out. It's a very fortune to witness the game of volleyball. We have seen volleyball playing international players. Okay, volleyball doctors are playing, engineers playing. It's the first time we are watching the ministers, a member of parliament are playing volleyball. How we lucky people, the volleyball.
Or elected representatives, federations, associations, organizations, they make it into a law. We need to create more and more events and awareness for the mass participation as far as the sports are concerned.
Sir, is Prime Minister hosting a party online at the Paralympic?
Prime Minister was kind to address the players, meet them virtually before the departure for Olympics and Paralympics. And I'm glad the Prime Minister has hosted the Olympians post the event on their arrival. And I'm sure the way our Paralympians brought laurel to India. Last time there were 19 players who were representing India. This time there were 19 medals for India. And I'm sure Prime Minister not only will be hosting them, but will be spending quite quality time with them.
But what was the advantage over Surya's team? Because he was always playing and your service was very hard. What was the advantage?
I think it was more to be part of this event, create awareness. As a young leader, he is doing a great job, and I'm glad that he is into sports also. And as a young leader, we expect more. His team at the national level and other youth from various political parties should also come forward and do more activities for the youth. And many are missing to even congratulate the Paralympians. I don't know what is stopping them. On one hand, there is one MP of Lok Sabha who is organizing event to create awareness. There is another young leader from a political party who is shying away to even congratulate our champions, Olympians, and medal winners. I don't know why. The reason best known to them. Let me say, all of us need to pat the back of our Olympians and Paralympians. We've done extremely well. I understand the Government of India's efforts were there. The top scheme really worked. The Prime Minister interacted with everyone, boost the morale, but at the same time, it is the responsibility of every Indian, especially the elected leaders, to help and create the right atmosphere, not shy away from tweeting or even congratulating.
How do you feel with the MP?